Hi guys, I am Iknoor and welcome back to another episode of the Juggling Chatterbox. Thank you for all your love to all the episodes. Please remember to follow the podcast and to also rate and review it. Please subscribe to me on YouTube. I upload extremely fun long-form YouTube videos over there. And on Instagram, I give you some really cool mental health tips. The social media handle for both the platforms is Life Coach Iknoor Kohli. And on that note, let's begin. आज के हमारे पॉडकास्ट का टॉपिक होने वाला है बॉडी शेमिंग. Before I start speaking on body shaming, because it's such a sensitive topic and such an important topic to be discussed, I want to share with you something that happened, not with me, but something I saw happening today, which is that today, I had gone to the mall for lunch and वहाँ पे in the restaurant that I had gone, there was a group of ladies that were sitting there. And ऐसा होता है ना that sometimes people talk so loudly and restaurants are not extremely big in malls. They're like normal size. It was a very normal size restaurant. So there was a particular lady on that table who was speaking very loudly. Okay, and it's not like I will not hear what she's saying. So of course मैं सुन रही थी कि उन्होंने क्या बोला and she actually was telling all her friends that I'm not even that big in size, but I'll still tell you how you all can lose weight. And the moment she said it, everyone in the group, उन सबके ना faces एकदम dull हो गए. Like it felt that lady actually triggered all their insecurities. Before I go into telling the story further, I want to point out one thing, that saying statements like I'm not even that fat or I'm not even that big, या फिर not that I'm thin. You need to understand that everyone's definition of big, fat and thin is different. What is short for you might not be short for someone else. So please guys, when you're out, when you're talking to someone, don't say things like this because unintentionally you might come across as a person who's extremely rude and insensitive. So coming back to that story, the lady actually went on like, oh guys, don't do this, don't do that, ये मत खाओ तुम पतले हो जाओगे, पतले हो गए ना लाइफ एकदम सेट है. And everyone on the table was so uncomfortable. I'm sure उस lady का शायद ये intention भी नहीं था, but saying things like these, talking about someone's body, their weight, their looks is not okay. It's something which is extremely personal in nature. The reason that body shaming is so prevalent, the reason कि लोग feel that they are so free कि वो किसी की भी body पे जाके comment कर देते हैं या किसी की skin पे जाके comment कर देते हैं, किसी के बालों पे जाके comment कर देते हैं, is because somewhere their relationship with their own body is not great. And because वो अपनी body को प्यार नहीं कर पाते ना, दूसरों की तो उनको body में वैसे ही ज़्यादा points of criticism दिख जाते हैं. Guys, it's very important that you love your body because you only have one body and our body is made up of our energy. हम जिस वाइब्रेशन से, जिस थॉट से हमारी बॉडी को फुल करते हैं ना, वो ही हमारी बॉडी और हमारी बीइंग की एनर्जी हो जाती है. A lot of times क्या होता है, we're exercising regularly, हम अपनी डाइट का भी बहुत ध्यान रख रहे होते हैं, but while doing it all ना, we're very full of negative thoughts. हमारे मन में ये होता है, I hate my body, I hate the way I look, I need to change. मुझे बस अपने आप को बदलना है. और उससे क्या होता है कि इतनी मेहनत करने के बाद भी we don't get results. It's not because we're not working hard. It's because we are so full of hatred towards our own body कि हमारी बॉडी उस एफर्ट को रिसीव करने की एनर्जी पे है ही नहीं. हमने खुद ही अपनी बॉडी की पॉजिटिविटी की वेवलेंथ एकदम नीचे कर दी है. And on the other hand, sometimes what happens, we're working out just at a very decent level और अपनी डाइट के बारे में भी we're not very obsessive about क्या खाना है क्या नहीं खाना, but still we start seeing extremely positive results in our body. And do you know why that happens? It's because हम अपनी बॉडी को बहुत पॉजिटिव एनर्जी दे रहे हैं. The reason we are working out या फिर the reason I'm watching my diet will be like, I like how I look and I want to keep looking like that. I want to maintain my health. या फिर it's my body, I want to give it love and this is how I do body care. तो जब आप ऐसी पॉजिटिव एनर्जी अपनी बॉडी को दे रहे हो ना, even your body is open to receiving it. Most of us at some point of our life या तो हमने body shame किसी को करा है or we've been victims of body shaming. I know some of you might actually say things like, नहीं यार मुझे तो सबने किया ही है, मैंने कभी किसी को body shame नहीं किया. But trust me guys, intentionally या unintentionally आपने भी किसी ना किसी को body shame ज़रूर किया है. I'm sure some of you might be guilty of saying things like, यार क्या हो गया तुम्हारी स्किन को, पहले तो बहुत क्लियर होती थी, ध्यान रखो ना. Oh my God, what happened to your hair? You had such nice hair. Have you not said things like that? और कभी-कभी यार actually reflexively निकल जाता है. Because we're so used to saying things like these, we don't even realize कि no, that is not not our area to comment on. अगर किसी को acne marks है या फिर if someone is going through a phase of hair fall, I'm sure they are more concerned about themselves than we are about them. उनकी एक insecurity है जो हमने trigger कर दी. हो सकता है you know that they were on this journey where they were trying to love themselves और हमने जाके उनके सारे efforts को एकदम खत्म कर दिया. You know क्या होता है sometimes हम लोग ऐसे social gatherings पे जाते हैं, family events पे जाते हैं, we're having such a nice time, we dress our best, we do our hair so well, photos खींच रहे होते हैं, enjoy कर रहे होते हैं, अचानक से somebody is going to come and say things like यार क्या हो गया स्किन को, इतने डार्क सर्कल्स, इतने एक्ने स्कार्स, क्या बात है, थोड़ा बाहर का कम खाओ ना. या फिर तुम लोग ना आजकल इतना स्ट्रेटनिंग और हेयर कर्लिंग करते हो, सारे बाल खराब कर दिए, पहले बाल कितने अच्छे होते थे. ओह माय गॉड, आर यू ओके, खाना खाना बंद कर दिया क्या, हवा होगी उड़ जाएगा. एंड उन्होंने तो बोल दिया, वो तो बोल के चले गए, बट डज इट नॉट रुइन आवर एंटायर मूड. हमारा तो पूरा दिन ही खराब हो जाता है ना. Really struggling to have a good relationship with their body. It's actually a very big insecurity in a lot of people's lives. तो guys, अगर हमारे पास कभी कुछ अच्छा नहीं होता ना लोगों की बॉडीज के बारे में बोलने के लिए, तो let's not say anything at all. And अगर आपके साथ कोई ऐसा कर रहा है ना, the next time someone comes and says कि oh you have acne scars that or oh you've gained or lost weight, then just tell them one thing. Thank you for your concern, but I'm sure I love myself more. I'll look into it. It's okay अगर थोड़ा rude sound करता है. उनका आके आपकी बॉडी पे कमेंट करना वाज ऑल्सो नॉट वेरी पोलाइट. अच्छा एक चीज़ और बहुत नॉर्मल जो हो गई है दैट यू नो वील रन इनटू अ स्कूल फ्रेंड और समवन फ्रॉम कॉलेज बहुत सालों के बाद और वो आगे से बोलेंगे यार स्कूल में तो यू लुक्ड सो नाइस, अब क्या हो गया है, स्ट्रेस. अरे भाई व्हाई आर यू सेइंग थिंग्स लाइक दिस. किसको अच्छा लगता है अपने बारे में ऐसी बातें सुनना. और व्हाट इफ मैं भी आगे से यू नो इन रिस्पॉन्स उनको कुछ बोल दूँ. तो दैट इज वेयर गाइस हमारी sensibility should come in and we should realize this is an extremely personal space and we don't have any business to comment on anyone's appearance. And you know, I know some of you might actually be feeling कि यार नहीं यार कभी-कभी we're actually very concerned कि किसी के साथ क्या हो गया, why do they look so different. Then there are extremely polite ways of saying things. So instead of saying things like why have you lost so much weight, आप ऐसा पूछ सकते हो I hope everything is fine at home. And maybe when you feel कि नहीं मैंने you know I've spoken enough with that person और अब हमारा एक comfort zone है, तो आप अकेले में जाके उनसे डिस्कस कर सकते हो, not in front of their friends, their partner, in front of your relatives या फिर एक public sphere में. Not allowed. It's a big no. One more thing that we're very guilty of doing is that हम ना we'll see photos of couples on social media and we'll say things like oh यार the boy is too good looking for the girl or vice versa. Again guys, हमारे अंदर वो judgmental aspect क्यों जाग जाता है. The boy might actually be too good looking for the girl, but the girl actually might be too kind for him. हर चीज सूरत नहीं होती, सीरत देखो यार. It's also the soul that matters. A beautiful person is not only beautiful in terms of the way they look, it's also in terms of their heart, the way they talk, the way they make you feel, the way they make the people around them feel. That's so much more meaningful. All our lives हमने इंग्लिश में हर ऐसे में ऐसा कुछ लिखा है, never judge a book by its cover, but we're also so guilty of doing that ना guys. तो अब ये सब छोड़ दो यार. Let's start loving our bodies and let's start being kind to others' bodies as well. I hope today's podcast was liked by all of you. I'll see you next Wednesday at the Juggling Chatterbox. Bye beautiful souls.